Hey guys, and welcome to number 2 of Tuesday recommendations. Here we have the Roblox game called Where Am I? It is pretty similar to Geoguessr. If you really like that game, you are able to play it on this one. I'm just going to go to the classic mode, and I'm going to be doing this by myself, but you are able to compete with other players. To play the game, you will choose between 3 difficulties. There is easy, medium, and hard. I am choosing the medium one. And basically to play this game, once it's started, it's going to show kind of like a picture of somewhere in the map, of like a place somewhere in the map, as you can see here. So here's me just kind of like looking around and see like where this could be, and I see this language, which I don't know this, like I can't speak this language, but I know this is Thai. And so I'm just going to put my kind of like guess where obviously Thailand is. Obviously I can't really narrow it down to like a specific city. It's too detailed, but I was super close. But I was correct. It was in Thailand, as you can see here. But yeah, that's how you can play it. And again, you can compete with other players, and that is how you can play it. I really enjoy this game. Let me know if you like this game as well. Comment in the comment section down below if you like this game, if you would recommend it to other players, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you would rate it and stuff. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!